Good evening, people from A1 Global TV. And Happy New Year to you all. I am part of A1 Global TV, and I would love to wish you all a Happy New Year. And let's hope that we have a better New Year than we've had in 2020. For us all in 2020, it's been a very, very difficult year. My condolences goes out to anybody who's lost friends or family through this COVID-19 scenario. Pandemic, yes. Thank you, Professor. I just wish that we all support one another through this, every race and creed. We're all human beings at the end of the day. We are all suffering. We should all unite. It's the way it should always have been. There should be no division between human beings because of colour, race or creed. And the wars that are created because of racism have been as bad as what this COVID-19 is doing to us all. Now, I do believe that there is the possibility that there's another strain of COVID amongst us now, COVID-20, in which case things may escalate. What I would like is that every community, every colour, race and creed, we're all human beings at the end of the day. And we should all unite, stand together because of this crisis. There should never be a division between race and creeds, colours, whatever. It's the stupidity of man.